you talk about transferring FAAN to Lagos because there are more airline activities in Lagos than in Abuja, then you should take the Ministry of Commerce to Onitsha or Kano, because there is far more commercial activities in Onitsha and Kano than in Abuja.
Hey! Ife mebisigo. It is finished. Mobulu ndi na-asụ Oyibo. Church agbasago. Ke na ebe ndị a niile anyị na-evotu gasị ka federal represent anyị nọ. Ka ebe our senators, House of Rep member, governors, ọhaneze ndị Igbo, ndị igwe, ka na ebe n'ụlọ, o ji wee bụrụzia nwoke onye Hausa bụ ihe na-ekwuchitezila anyị ọnụ anyị. Unu na-eme ọnụ chọm. So olugo n'ụdị a. Nke nọ ndị Hausa na ndị Fulani fọ abụ dị na-speak easy for us. Ọnụ m na Tinubu pụtara mbọsị a wee sị na relocate go headquarter Federal Airport Authority to Lagos. The reason o ji maka wee made the thing bụ na ọ sị na the amount of goods, the inflows of passengers na-abịa na Lagos Airport, no nwere any other airport in Nigeria na receive that kind of inflow. So because of that, is it already easy, already locate here the Airport Authority to Lagos. And even some branches of CBN. Kita nwoke onye Hausa na-ajụzi na-asịzi ebe ọ bụ na ihe a bụ reason Tinubu ji wee mee ihe o mere, o ji wee relocate Airport Authority to Lagos. Then that means no gauge because of that also. Ya relocate is the Minister for Commerce to Onitsha or to Kano. Because no ebe akakata azụ afịa. Ka apịkwa ọtụtụ okwu, watch and the video. And ihe a bụ a shame to all our Igbo representatives.
If you talk about transferring FAAN to Lagos because there are more airline activities in Lagos than in Abuja, then you should take the Ministry of Commerce to Onitsha or Kano, because there is far more commercial activities in Onitsha and Kano than in Abuja. You should take the Ministry of Education or Agriculture to Makati, where there is a lot of agricultural activity and food production. You can distribute these ministries to locations according to the kind of activity you can identify. But that is not the intention or the reason or the purpose of establishing a federal capital territory. It's supposed to be in itself a symbol of unity, a symbol of togetherness of this country. The moment you start dismembering ministries back to Lagos, first you are establishing a precedence, which means next government it comes on and it doesn't happen to come from the south, will now return them or transfer others from Lagos back to Abuja, and it will be
maybe Kaduna
or Sokoto or Calabar or things like that. So the intention really is to make institutions symbolic of our unity, symbolic of the purpose of this country, and not to give reasons. If you say congestion, when you mention congestion in relation to cities, anybody you talk about congestion will first think of Lagos before he thinks.
But the CBN is saying that it's building, the CBN headquarters is supposed to actually house 3,000 employees, but it has over 4,000. And the CBN spends money sending its own staff to go to Lagos to spend 2 months, 3 months to do certain jobs, which normally should have been domiciled in Lagos, and that is spending so much. So for effectiveness, the CBN is saying that it wants to decongest its headquarters. And people are wondering, why is the ACF or why are not